0.1, no, minus sign will not be there. So the answer given is 1 by 10. Option given is in this structure, 1 by 10 n centimeter. That is the answer given. All of you got it? Everybody? Got it? Everybody? I'll give 2 or 3 more questions for this so that you are very confident. Okay? Now always we are calculating least count, but here is a problem where least count is given and you are asked to find out MSD. So in the same formula, if the least count is given, we are getting this in terms of how we are getting 1 minus m by n MSD, like that we are getting. Now the question is, what is MSD? What is the value of one main scale division? See the question. A vernier calipers has 20 divisions on the vernier scale. A vernier calipers has 20 divisions on the vernier scale. Okay. A vernier calipers has 20 divisions on the vernier scale, which coincide with 19 divisions, 19 divisions on the main scale. So the least count of the instrument is 0.1 mm. The least count of the instrument is 0.1 mm. So the main scale divisions are of value dash. So you have to find out 1 MSD equal to how much? You have to find out 1 MSD equal to how much? Right? The same formula you have to use. Only thing is, this time you have to find out 1 MSD. What are your answers? What are your answers? Very good. Gautam, your answer is correct. Very good. Now all of you are getting right answers. Good. Kunde Teshaswini, correct answer. Gautam, correct answer. Dudika, correct answer. Very good. What about others? Yes. So now you got the correct answers. So you have learned something now perfectly. Sure. All of you should get the answer. Anybody else? Same procedure you adopt. Sai Sri, 0.2. What is 0.2? 0.2 millimeter or centimeter? The answer is given in millimeters. Okay, so 0.2 centimeter is correct. The answer is 2 millimeter given. Okay, so we'll take another question. Shall we? Let us take another question. 1 centimeter. See, 1 centimeter on the main scale. 1 centimeter on the main scale of vernier calipers is divided into 10 equal parts. 1 centimeter on the main scale of vernier calipers is divided into 10 equal parts. Right? If 10 divisions of vernier scale coincide with 8 small divisions of main scale. 10 divisions of vernier scale coincide with 8 small divisions of main scale. The least count is 10 divisions of vernier scale coincide with 8 small divisions of the main scale. The least count of the calipers is good. That is the right answer, Ramani. Kiran, that is also right answer. Right answer, Arshita. So only thing you take care, sometimes the options may be in centimeters, sometimes may be in millimeters. Accordingly, you convert the final value. Okay. Where is Ishwar? Ishwar is absent or what? Right. We'll take another question which is based on this formula. Okay, based on this formula. No, that is with screw gauge. Wait. Now one more question here. One more question of this pattern only. This pattern, more questions are available, right? Most of the time that is appearing. This one. In a vernier calipers, one main scale division is X. One main scale division is X centimeter. And n divisions of the vernier scale coincide with n minus 1 divisions of the main scale. N divisions of the vernier scale coincide with n minus 1 divisions of the main scale. Find the least count. Find the least count. In a vernier calipers, one main scale division is X centimeters. One main scale division is X centimeters. And n divisions of the vernier scale coincide with n minus 1 divisions of main scale. The least count in centimeters, so the caliper says. Uday Kiran, right answer. Ramani, right answer. Harshita, the least count is x by n, not x by 10n. It's only x by n. Harshita, x by n is the answer. Okay, so this part is clear. Then we can go for the screw gauge, right? Screw gauge So time may not be sufficient for completing the idea, so that we'll discuss tomorrow. But for the time being, we'll discuss more problems from units and measurements. Okay? So try to answer all the questions of this. The question is given like this. A body accelerates from rest with uniform acceleration a for time t. The uncertainty in a is 8% and the uncertainty in t is 4%. Then the uncertainty in speed is uncertainty in speed is uncertainty in speed what is the answer? Uncertainty means error, percentage error. The percentage error in the calculation of acceleration is 8. The percentage error in the calculation of time is 4. So, no, V minus U is equal to AT. U is 0. So, V is equal to AT. So, it is of the structure Z is equal to AB. Isn't it? The structure Z is equal to AB. So, what is the answer? Yes. This is question number 23. Question number 23 of task 1. No. No. Answers are not correct. What is the idea? When Z is equal to A plus B, delta Z by Z into 100 is equal to delta A by A into 100 plus delta B by B into 100. Isn't it? And In this you will get 8% plus 4. 8 plus 4, that is 12%. Okay, everybody, 12%. Okay, 8 plus 4 only, not 8 into 4. Gautam, correct? Correct yourself. If a problem is given like this, Z is equal to a power half d square and c dq. C dq. This is 37th problem. In the measurement of A, 2% error is there. In the measurement of B, 1% error. In the measurement of C, 3% error. Okay. And in the measurement of D, 1/3% error. So what is the error in the measurement of Z? What is the error in the measurement of Z? Error in the measurement of Z. This is question number 37. Task 1. Are you thorough with this type of problem? This is a power half means how we get? We get half into 2 plus, because this is square, 2 into 1 plus 3 plus this is cube. So 3 into 1/3 become 1. And this will cancel. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 7%. Answer is 7%. Everybody? Got it? Okay. Then problem 38. Problem number 38. I'm doing just 3 or 4 problems so that you complete all the problems. Okay? All of you take a hard copy of this. This is the most precise material. Precise in the sense containing all the models, and in a limited time you can complete it. So all of you should have a hard copy of this. U is equal to alpha root y by y plus beta. Energy due to position of a particle is given by U is energy. U is energy and alpha beta are constants. Y is distance. Y is distance. The question is the damage formula of alpha into beta is. The damage formula of alpha into beta is energy due to position of a particle. This is energy. Now y is distance means because this is an addition, beta is added to y means beta should also be distance. So beta must be having dimensions of length. and this entire quantity y plus beta, that is also length. Okay, the entire quantity will be length. This is entire quantity length. This is energy. Alpha is unknown, and this will be root L. So what we get? For u, we can write m power 1, l power 2, t power minus 2. Alpha y is nothing but l power half, and here l plus l is again l. So what will we get? This can be cancelled. This becomes l power half. So this is m power 1, l power 2 plus half. 2 plus half, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into t power minus 2. This is alpha. And beta is L. So how much you'll get? Alpha into beta. Alpha is m power 1, L power 5 by 2, t power minus 2. This will be m power 1, L power 7 by 2 and t power minus 2. Okay? Clear? Everybody? Is this clear? Everybody? Now my question is simple question. X is equal to, it is task 2, 7th question. X is equal to cos omega t plus kx. The dimensions of omega are dimensions of omega are. Have you learned that? So all of you will complete the entire task 1, task 2 into short examples, the previous 8 examples from this NCR. All of you. So make it a point, and Sunday the exam on this topic.